Good morning. This is not for, you will not believe, but these are the children of cloud, going monsoon children. I have very long relationship with them. It has rained whole night. In fact, it started from evening. सारी रात बरसात. I felt as if it's mid-July or where the monsoon is at peak. But no, it's September end almost, and it's early morning. And you see some of these children of cloud coming. Can you see it? They're coming from down from little forest. And one of them is a very old friend of mine. A few years back, me and my wife, while returning from Lonavala, I gave him a lift in my car. He came from one window. In fact, I wrote one poem also in Hindi. हमने बादल को लिफ्ट दी लोनावला से खंडाला तक. एंड इनफैक्ट वो बादल का बच्चा जो है वो बिछड़ गया था, और हमने सोचा बिछड़े हुए बच्चों को उनके माँ बाप से मिलवा देना चाहिए. और उसके जो माँ बाप हैं वो तब तक महाबलेश्वर की ऊंची पहाड़ियों पर पहुंच चुके थे. बट he was a very naughty child. Not the naughty, the one word which these days is very famously used by one politician. But वो सचमुच में बड़ा ही नटखट बच्चा था. हम तो नोटी को नटखट ही कहते हैं. और बस यूं ही. और उसने बहुत बातचीत की और उससे कहा कि पिछले साल क्यों नहीं आया. एंड दिस ईयर ऑल्सो it looks like some of them, because बच्चे बड़े होते हैं तो उनकी दोस्ती शुरू हो जाती है. He has lot of his friend now. So today morning, now there are camera limitations, but I wish I could show them more. This is a mobile camera. They have heard now, or maybe they smell or they feel that sun is about to come. So they are now leaving this little forest which is there close to my home. When I got up, I saw them resting on this tree top, and some of them were about, little complaining nature, and they wanted to talk about why this year also I didn't go to Western Ghat. But as you know, COVID, forget the Western Ghat, COVID has not even allowed me to go to up to Dhobi Ghat in Mumbai. But I love it. These are going sign of monsoon. पर जाते जाते भी हम बहुत बरस कर जाएंगे. मानसून के बादल हैं, यूं ही थोड़ी चले जाएंगे. गुड मॉर्निंग एंड बाय बाय क्लाउड्स. एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल कम बैक टू वेस्टर्न घाट एंड आई विल गिव द लिफ्ट. बट आई थिंक this particular one, the nutcut one, the naughty one, will not be in lift. उसके लिए तो मुझे फिर पूरी एक किसी बहुत बड़े एयरप्लेन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, एयरफोर्स वन जैसे कि, क्योंकि वो तब तक बहुत बड़ा हो चुका हो. बादल के बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बड़े होते हैं. Bye bye, my dear friend. Go rest in the sky. Go fly in the sky. Go float in the sky. My best wishes is with you. Love you.